Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Well, what we have here is just a single Whirlpool wall oven. The customer's complaint is it's not getting up to temperature. There's also the display up here is very, very dim. You actually can't even read the temperature that the oven is putting out, but I was able to just put it into a bake. Actually, the up and down arrows they might be working, but you can't really tell. But this relay will automatically close. I just kind of heard the relay click, so I assumed that the board was closing. And if you look down in there, I can kind of see a little bit of a glow down at the bottom from the igniter. So the igniter itself is glowing. This has been on for about 5 minutes, and I just now heard it fire up. So it did kick on. The igniter itself is going to be weak on here. It should really only take 60 seconds or so for an igniter to heat up and allow enough current to flow through to open the gas valve. The igniters are going to operate as a positive coefficient, so the hotter the igniter gets, the more current is going to flow through it to open up the gas valve. So this igniter is taking a long time to get that hot, which what's going to happen is once the oven maintains its temperature or hits its 350 degree temp, it's going to cycle back off, and then it's going to take another 5-10 minutes for the burner to kick back on. So it's just not going to maintain a steady, even heat, which is an indication of a weak igniter. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.